Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. This is just a small feature that we've added to this demo site and we've also added it to a couple of other people's sites as well. We just want to show you this. What we're going to do is we're going to open developer tools up. Now, by default, when you go to mobile view and you click on the menu button, you'll see that your menu opens up. But in order to close that menu, you need to click on the menu button again. So as default, you open and close the menu on mobile phone devices by clicking on the menu option. However, if you want, we can make some adjustment to the code for you so that you can click anywhere outside the menu. So you can click on the menu again to close it, like so, or you can click on the website just to close it as well. So you can click anywhere sort of on the page and the menu will close. So this aligns with how a lot of websites are set up in terms of their mobile navigation menu. So if you're wanting to add that small feature, again, you can reach out to us at membershipwebsites.net. Thanks for watching.